Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the hidden trackpad on iPhone keyboard. The iPhone's hidden trackpad features makes it easier to move the cursor and edit text with the precision. To use it, you can open any app where you can type such as messages or notes. And simply, once the keyboard appears, you need to hold and press the space bar on the keyboard until the key fade and the keyboard turns into a trackpad. Without lifting your finger, you can simply slide across the keyboard to move the text cursor exactly where you want it. You can release your finger when the cursor is in the correct position. This feature is especially useful for editing long messages, emails, or documents without having to tap directly on the screen. And that is it. That's how to use the hidden trackpad on the iPhone keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.